when you see a woman like her?
This night, I dream more of those days that I seen this woman, tan bonita. She takes my breath away. When you see a woman like her, a punch of light gets to your brain, and some wish they could run, and some will fake a smile. As for me, I just stay there, breathless. The good thing about a woman like her is that they carry a light full of energy, and it feels good just to be there, but nothing to say or do. Yeah, this crazy night, any man will dream with a woman like her, those little pearls. Qué bonitos ojos.